Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Instagram location for Android. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. And here, if you tap on your profile on the lower right icon, and then just head over to the three lines on the top right. And in here, just head over to the search section, or you can just search for location. As you can see, there is an option of location in here. So if you have turned on your phones or Android phones location in here, you will find this option that's set over there. And here give your, if you have app permissions in here, just head over to app permissions. So you will find the apps that have permission for location. So as you can see, for my Instagram, it is ask every time. So I can just turn it off from here. If you want to turn off or not allowed, you can just select Instagram and then just tap on don't allow. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off location for your Instagram on Android. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.